We know Minis have always done things a little differently, but in 2012, they really leaned into it. Meet the R58 MINI JCW Coupe, the only Mini ever built as a dedicated two-seater, aside from the Roadster. It was low, weird, and slightly impractical, and also one of the most fun and focused Minis you could buy. Here are 5 things you probably didn't know about the most rebellious Cooper in the lineup. Did you know the R58 Coupe had a roofline that was 1.2 inches lower than the regular Mini hardtop? That gave it a squashed, almost helmet-like look, but it also lowered the center of gravity and made it feel sharper in corners. Form and function, sort of. Did you know the R58 was the first production Mini with only 2 seats since the classic minivan and pickup? That was at least until the Roadster came along. There was no back seat at all, just a big pass-through and more trunk space than a regular Cooper S. You gave up passengers, but gained practicality, kind of. Did you know the Coupe came with an active rear spoiler that raised at 50 miles per hour and lowered at 37 miles per hour? You could also activate it manually with a switch on the dash. On a car this small, it looked hilarious, but it was actually functional at higher speeds. Did you know the JCW Coupe was the quickest Mini in the lineup at the time, with 208 horsepower and a sub-6 second 0 to 60 time? It had the same engine as the JCW hardtop, but felt more focused thanks to the stiffer chassis, reduced weight, and that lower roofline. It was a Mini built for people who didn't want to bring friends along. Did you know the R58 Coupe was only sold from 2012 to 2015, and Mini never replaced it? It didn't sell in huge numbers, and most people didn't know what to make of it, but that's exactly why it's becoming collectible. It's one of those, wait, Mini made that? Cars that makes enthusiasts grin. The R58 JCW Coupe might not be the most practical Mini, but it might be the most unapologetically Mini thing they ever made. It's weird, it's fun, it's fast, and if you're the kind of driver who likes carving corners solo, this might just be the Mini that makes the most sense. Smash that like button if you love the oddballs, and subscribe for more Mini-approved content every week.